Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom filled with twinkling stars and whispering breezes, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and her two stepsisters, who treated her poorly and made her do all the household chores. Cinderella's happiness seemed hidden beneath the dust and dishes until one day, as she was cleaning the grand fireplace, she found a small golden key glistening among the ashes. She picked it up and felt a strange warmth spread through her fingers. This was no ordinary key, it shone with the brilliance of the sun and felt alive with magic. Meanwhile, in the royal castle, Prince Charming was troubled. His kingdom had been cast under a wicked enchantment by none other than Cinderella's stepmother, who was secretly a dark sorceress. She wanted control of the kingdom and had put everyone, including the prince himself, under a slumbering spell. Every night, the prince dreamed of a lovely maiden who sang to him, lifting the enchantment if only for moments. He realized that this girl was his only hope, and her singing might be his salvation. One moonlit night, Cinderella, drawn by an unknown force, unlocked a hidden door in her home's garden. Behind it, she discovered a secret forest bathed in silver light, filled with sparkling flowers and singing birds. The song of the nightingales reminded her of the music she often heard in dreams. A wise owl, perched on the highest branch, greeted her and spoke in soft whispers. "A dire curse lies over the castle, and only you can lift it. Take these enchanted slippers and follow where the path leads," the owl hooted. So Cinderella, with the slippers that shimmered like stardust upon her feet, followed the trail until she found herself standing before the gates of the castle. As she entered, the castle woke from its deep sleep, walls whispering tales of bravery and echoes of laughter ringing from the halls. With courage in her heart, she discovered the prince wrapped in a delicate web of enchantment. Her gentle song flowed through the corridors, a melody so pure that it shattered the sorceress's spell. When the curse was broken, the prince awoke and told Cinderella she had saved him from eternal dreams. With joy and gratitude, they realized their destinies were intertwined by magic and love. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters suddenly felt their powers wane, for kindness had triumphed over their dark magic. As the sun rose, Cinderella and the prince stood hand in hand amongst the blooming gardens. "My heart is free," the prince said with wonder, "thanks to your magic, Cinderella." From that day on, the kingdom thrived on enchantment no longer built on spells, but on the happiness of two hearts found against the odds. Cinderella's magical rescue wasn't just a tale told by wise owls, it was a story of hope that echoed in the whispers of the wind. And the stars twinkled, just as they always did, casting dreams upon the children of the kingdom. And here in this land, they said, dreams were where magic truly began. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.